Test natin ENC 1106 Glock 17 Gen 4. Shoutout kay Boss Harris. So naka metal slide, polymer yung lower frame with Glock markings. So may under rail for attachment, threaded outer barrel, naka U-type sights. So textured grip. Then may magazine capacity na 26 rounds. Price is 4.2. Chrono check natin. 322, 313. For more details, mag-PM kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby.